What chemical has an extra molecule that becomes a powerful oxidizer and cleanser? The answer is hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide has a variety of uses and can reduce the risk of illnesses. However, it should be used cautiously. It is not recommended to disinfect cuts and wounds. It should not be swallowed or used directly on the skin. There are several little-known uses for hydrogen peroxide. The following is a list of only 18 of many possible uses for hydrogen peroxide. 1. Disinfect the house to kill bacteria, viruses, and mold. 2. Scrub the sink and dishwasher. 3. Clean cutting boards. 4. Wash fruits and vegetables. 5. Clean pots and pans. 6. Clean the garbage container. 7. Clean the toilet. 8. Shine mirrors and glass surfaces. 9. Renew the color of white porcelain. 10. Remove laundry stains. 11. Make plants and garden seeds healthier. 12. Clear algae from water and surfaces. 13. Induce vomiting of pets. 14. Eliminate odors from a pet's litter box. 15. Sterilize makeup brushes. 16. Whiten teeth and sanitize toothbrush. 17. To lighten hair. And 18. To clean contact lenses.